from a distant yet intimate perspective, beyond the noise of everyday life. Let's say that an observer looks upon our world, a canvas of human endeavor, painted with moments of brilliance and misstep. This observer, detached from our subjective experience, notes the paradoxical nature of humanity with a blend of curiosity and concern. A species of remarkable intellect and profound emotional capacity, yet paradoxically entangled in a web of self-defeating patterns. This observer discerns 5 critical paradoxes. The propensity for conflict despite survival instincts. Indifference to others' suffering despite deep empathy. Environmental exploitation despite reliance on nature. Material pursuits over soulful nourishment. And the eschewing of truth and wisdom despite an age rich with knowledge. The observer reflects on the stark disparity between humanity's potential and its actual manifestation. It's like, why do they do these things?